What's going on, guys? If you don't know me, my name is Chris Manjuris, and today I'm going to show you the entire build series of my 2006 BMW M5. I filmed every single mod I did to the car up to where it is today, basically stock to where it is now, winning awards at car shows like we did last week here at a BMW car meet. This car has been the inspiration for this entire channel, as well as my clothing brand Apparel by Enemy and some of the M5 merch that we've made for it. If you want to keep up to date with the rest of this build, as well as the next build coming up, you can either follow me on Instagram right here, or make sure you leave a like and a sub down below and you're not going to miss any videos in the future. With that being said, guys, here is building the perfect BMW M5 in just 10 minutes. I hope you enjoy. So that's the car. It's a little bit about it. It's an 06 M5 E60. So with this car, I want to keep it clean, but there are a couple things I do want to do to it for sure. It looks insane. It is so sick. Crazy.
I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
Our rear diffuser for the M5 is finally here, and today we're gonna test fit it. Now, first things first, I gotta get this unwrapped. Oh, that's gonna be so clean. I cannot wait. I'd maybe drill through the top here, and the new rear diffuser looks like this. It's finally done, and I think it looks so sick. Night, bud. It's here. A performance mod here for the M5 for the first time in so long. We've been waiting for this. I've been teasing it. Let's make some room here first. Even clean up for you guys. This is ridiculous. Okay, the Sprint Booster V3. And it is going to absolutely change the throttle response and the acceleration of this car. Cap is off. And there it is. Now we just take the gas pedal off. What we're gonna do is just grab it, it's loose now, lift it up and out. So you just lift up and out. Just gonna get in there and grab the tab at the back. And that's the pedal off, which is what the Sprint Booster is gonna get connected to. It's basically gonna be a middleman between that and our gas pedal. And then we're gonna feed it along, put the switcher up here. That's pretty much the whole install. Then we're gonna connect it like so. Boom, part one. One more thing I almost forgot is we gotta actually attach the switch to the Sprint Booster. Basically, I'm plugging in the actual switch right here on the white piece. First thing we wanna do is plug the other half of the Sprint Booster into the car itself. Twisting her in there. We have light. setting this thing into race mode instead of normal, which we're gonna go ahead and do right now. The sprint booster, race mode. Oh my God, man. We got more car mods. Today we are adding some blackout mods to the M5. We are saying bye-bye to the chrome. There we go. Oh, this towel is so... There's the after. I'm very happy with that. Rap guy called me and he said, he asked me if the car had been repainted before, and I said no. Front of the bumper, the side fenders, and both doors on the driver's side have been, or maybe it was the passenger side, I can't remember, have been repainted. And it's showing underneath the wrap. And I said, what do you mean showing? And like, he sent me those videos and he's like, you can't really see it. And I'm like, yeah, I can't really see it. That is the update, guys. The wrap has a huge problem. Right there, it doesn't look too bad from the camera, at least. Way too much. Way too much. We've been waiting for this car. As you guys know, we had a little bit of issue. It was supposed to get done last week, but it took 2 weeks, and now we got it. And I just had my very first look at it. I believe it's a one of the entire world, the first M5 E60 in this color. It is the 2006 black-green iridescent M5 E60. Come look. It's so glossy too. Like, it literally looks like a paint job. Of course, we got the black mirrors here too. Black roof to match. Ridiculous color. The Apex EC7s in brushed silver. These look insane. You can't really see it because it's in the bag. One sec. There's another cover. One sec. The Apex EC7s. These look insane. These are sick. They're so light too. Oh my God.
Yeah, that looks really good.
I feel like the color is so much, like, look at the color.
Yeah, no, it looks great.
The one who... Final look?
Yeah, that will look really good.
The suppression. The use of marijuana.
The new lip is on. You think that lip's gonna make it through today?
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow, right? Maybe. Trunk spoiler, number 2. The little rear diffuser back there. This thing is finally coming together. And there it is, guys. If you watched the whole thing, I really hope you enjoyed. Like I said, make sure you leave a sub if you want to see more of that M5 or the upcoming build that we have next on the channel. This was a really special one because it's the very first completed, pretty much completed build on this channel, and I can't wait to show you what's next. Appreciate you guys, new and old subscribers. You guys are the best. I hope you enjoyed this look back of the last couple years with this car. It's really special to me, and I hope it's special to you too. And with that, I'm gonna catch you in the next one. My name's Chris. See ya.